air freshener. So we've got another mermaid. Got some softening foot lotion. Got some cracked heel cream. Some more softening foot lotion. Got heel cream. Some more heel cream. We've got a grout and tile pen. Got some kettle descaler. Got some nail polish remover. We've got some makeup cloths. That's all in that packet. So we've got, it's like we've got a little bag of makeup. So we've got some waterproof mascara. Got some more waterproof mascara. Got some eyeshadow. Got some nail varnish. Got eyeliner, another eyeliner, and an eyebrow pencil with a eyebrow brush on the end. We got some more nail varnish. We've got some black nail varnish. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.